Hello, this is Jake here at Arlington Toyota. Just want to take the time to make this short video for you. We're going to kind of walk through our parking lot here and kind of show you what we have available for our brand new Toyota RAV4s. If you're looking for a RAV4, whether it's a LE, XLE, SE, or limited platinum, or a hybrid, we have the best selection in the entire northern Florida and southern Georgia. You can see we got 3 rows back here of all RAV4s. These are all brand new, so no matter what color combination you're looking for, trim level, options that are most important to you, we have the exact RAV4 you're looking for in stock and available the very first time. If you're looking for that easy, stress-free, car shopping experience, trust me, you can have a lot of fun here. Give me a call. I'll be your go-to guy. My number is 904-534-1045. And again, my name is Jake with Arlington Toyota. Thank you. I look forward to speaking with you guys soon. Have a great day.